Luna, where are you going? She's holding it. She's using her teeth. Luna? Don't choke, gorgeous. Yeah. She got it. She got it. What are you doing? Luna? What's up, gorgeous? What's up? Here, baby. She wanted mommy's attention again. Be careful. Mind your pose. Mind your clothes, gorgeous. You okay? She looks worried. That's fine. It's okay. I think she heard her sister. Athena? Athena? Oh, yeah. Athena is here. She's hiding. Athena! Why are you hiding, gorgeous? You can play with mommy. Come on. Why are you hiding in the corner? Athena! Come to mommy, gorgeous. Athena, look at your sissy. She is happy to play with mommy. Athena! Come on, gorgeous. You don't need to hide. Athena! Come on. Come on, baby. Athena! You can play with your sissy. Look at your sissy. She is playing with mommy. Athena! Why are you hiding, gorgeous? Why are you hiding? Okay. She's hiding. Hello guys. Luna got her toys. She found it again. That's her toy mouse. Little mouse. Good catch, Luna. Good catch. Huh? Ping! Where is it? Where is it, darling? Where is it? It's just there. Look. I think Luna heard her dad snores upstairs because her dad has been so tired today. All right? What's up? Your dad snores? You can hear your dad snores. It's okay. That's your dad. That's all. Look at your toys here. Ping! Luna doesn't want me to touch her toy, so I will leave her alone. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video. Bye!